We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can switch off Oppo phone without power button. So in order to do that, in case your power key simply does not work, or you decided to know that out of curiosity, so whatever are your reasons, you can very simply do that by launching settings, then entering the additional settings, accessibility, and at the general section of accessibility settings, go into accessibility menu and turn on the shortcut for it. Then click allow, OK, and now just tap at this shortcut, and amongst the available options that you have over here, tap at the power, and the power off menu will appear, and simply drag the slider to the power off option. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.